So Gauri Shankar, we're here at the Imtech stand and Lakshmi have a huge number of machine tools. Why is it important to bring them onto one stand and show people what technology you have?
Okay, see, Imtex is the largest machine tool show in India, and it's also an international show. So we have been in Imtex for the last 3 decades. We have been participating regularly. It's a great platform to connect with customers. So we are one of the largest machine manufacturer in the country. So obviously we have a large stall. We have a huge number of products. To be precise, we have close to 60 products and about 90 variants is what we have at this point of time. So we came here for this Imtex with something in mind, like we connect with the customers on the latest products that we have. And it's been 4 years now because of the COVID break, and so we had this opportunity to actually talk to a lot of customers, understand what they really need. So we cut it down to see exactly like it meets a certain segment requirement.
Absolutely, and with it being 4 years since the last Imtex, what new technologies have you brought to this? What's kind of the best technology you would pick out that you would let people know about?
Okay, we have come up with machines which are very fast. Speed is the essence today. Looking at the growing electronic industry segment, where you have a lot of light material machining, especially like aluminium and brass and things like that. So the need for that is high. So you will see most of our machines are very fast, with high rapid rates and high spindle speed. We have one product exclusively for the electronic industry with 24,000 RPM spindle. So that's something very interesting, and this market is growing in India. We are hoping that it should grow at least 4 times in the next couple of years. So we see a very good market for that, and we said let's have a product that will meet exactly their requirements. So we've been working with the customers, understand their need. We have been doing some trials with them. It's been going very well.
I mean, if people want to get in touch and find out more about Lakshmi Machine Tools, and maybe they can do a cutting trial with you or do a demonstration, how do they get in touch? How do they find out about it?
Yeah, okay. See, the easiest way is to get into our website. It's lmwcnc.com.
Perfect, easy as that.
It's very easy to remember this. And we are very easy to connect.
And do you have tech centers in India?
We don't have, we are setting up a tech center now. But our factory, we welcome people to our factory because we have one of the state-of-art manufacturing facility, probably the best in machine tool in India. So we have invested a lot of money in the mother machines also. Yeah, so we have a lot of investment in 2 things. One is the mother machines, because ultimately what you produce on the mother machine is going to be the accuracy of the component that you're going to make in the end. The
Absolutely.
entire aggregate happens over there. So that's one thing which is very important. And the second investment is in the kind of equipment for the quality. So every machine is tested 100%. It goes a very extensive test. So we are sure that the product is of good quality.
Okay, so would you like to invite the viewers? So if you want to come down to the Lakshmi factory, there's been a lot of investment in the factory to make sure all the machines are quality tested. If you want to do a cutting trial, get in touch with them today at lmwcnc.com.